How to make beef enchiladas. To start, we are going to make the spice mix. In a small bowl, add the following: 1 teaspoon garlic powder, onion powder, 1 tablespoon cumin, paprika, oregano, and cayenne pepper. Mix until combined, then set aside for later. Next, we are going to make the enchilada sauce. Place down a frying pan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of flour. Mix to combine into a paste. Then add half a cup of chicken stock. Stir until it thickens up. Then add another half cup of chicken stock. Stir. Now add 1½ cups of passata, 1 tablespoon of salt and pepper. Then 2 teaspoons of the spice mix we prepared earlier. Thoroughly mix until it's combined. Remove from the stove and set aside for later. Next, we will prepare the filling. Place down another frying pan over medium heat. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add half a teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 finely chopped onion. Cook for 2 minutes. Then add 500 grams of ground beef. Cook for 2 minutes. Add the remaining spice mix, 400 grams of black beans and 400 grams of refried beans. Thoroughly mix together. Then remove from heat. Now it's time to make the enchiladas. Smear sauce at the bottom of your baking dish. Place down a tortilla. Place down 3 scoops of the filling towards the bottom of the tortilla. Then roll up the tortilla. Place in your baking dish. Repeat this process until the bottom of your baking dish is fully covered. Now cover the enchiladas with the sauce we prepared earlier. Top with cheese, then cover in tin foil. Place into your fan-forced oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 10 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for another 10 minutes. That's perfect. Remove from oven, serve and enjoy.